By the end of this video, you'll gain a deep understanding of how to work out regularly. Are you struggling to maintain a consistent workout routine? Do you find yourself starting strong, only to lose motivation a few weeks in? You're not alone, and today, we're going to tackle this challenge head-on. In this video, we'll cover the importance of setting realistic goals, how to create a balanced workout plan, tips for staying motivated and accountable, effective exercises to include in your routine, visual demonstrations. We'll walk you through each exercise with clear visuals and proper form to ensure you can follow along easily. Imagine waking up each day, energized and ready to tackle your workouts. Picture yourself hitting your fitness goals and feeling stronger and healthier. It all starts with a solid plan and the determination to stick with it. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Let's dive into creating a balanced workout plan. We'll start with understanding the importance of variety in your routine. Incorporating different types of exercises not only keeps things interesting, but also ensures you're working all muscle groups effectively. Story: meet Sarah, a busy professional who struggled with consistency. By setting achievable goals and following a structured plan, she transformed her fitness journey. We'll share tips and tricks to help you do the same. Staying motivated can be tough, but finding a workout buddy or joining a community can make a huge difference. Accountability partners provide support and encouragement, making it easier to stay on track. 1 second lesson: maximize gains with Dynamize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. To recap, setting realistic goals, creating a balanced plan, and finding ways to stay motivated are key to maintaining a regular workout routine. Now, it's your turn to take action. Start by planning your week and setting small, achievable goals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your progress and any questions you have. Together, we'll stay committed and achieve our fitness goals. Keep pushing forward, and I'll see you in the next video.